Hi, Todd Warren, Josh Marshus here in the Forecast Center as we continue to watch round two of thunderstorms, which will be on the way here later on this evening and tonight. This is a 3-hour loop of radar here, and you can see the thunderstorms, which did produce a few tornadoes more than likely in the Arklatex. We did see one more than likely touchdown in Marion County. Obviously, the storm that impacted South Shreveport, and another touchdown in Miller County. Those are the known touchdowns so far. And again, that activity has since moved out of the Arklatex. As I record this shortly before 8 o'clock, we do have that main line of storms which is producing quite a bit of wind damage across Texas. In fact, as of this recording, there are more than 200,000 power outages in Dallas and Fort Worth counties in north central Texas. That shows you the scope and the destructiveness of the winds, which could be headed towards the Arklatex. But there is hope that we might see a little bit of weakening here as these storms approach. So let me show you the timing of things here as we first of all look at the high resolution rapid refresh model. And again, this updates every hour, so this is the latest in the model information. And again, it'll start you off at 7 p.m. And again, we're going to be watching the line of storms to the west of the Arklatex gradually move in. You can see it moves into the probably northwestern edge of the area in the next hour and a half or so. By 10 o'clock, it'll be stretching from about, let's say, Eagletown, Oklahoma to Mount Pleasant down to Tyler. Make our way to midnight. The line will be moving through Shreveport, probably through Texarkana by 11, and then we'll see it exit the area here by the time we get to 2 or 3 o'clock. And the main upper level disturbance is going to be moving through, and we'll see another little wave of showers and a few thunderstorms graze the northern sections of the area late tonight. So again, we have round two, which is going to be on the way here during the next 6-7 hours or so across the Arklatex. That's one possibility. Quick look at the latest run of Futurecast, and again, you can see it shows the line coming in from the west, again pretty close to the same timing. Does show a little bit of a weakening trend as we go through midnight, and that is going to be a possibility. The HR model did back off a bit on that weakening trend. We probably will still have some more severe weather issues, especially in terms of wind here during the nighttime hours tonight, as that line does make its way through the region. You can see Futurecast also shows that last wave of rain that moves across the northern part of the Arklatex. Now we still have tornado watches that are in place for much of northwest Louisiana, northeast Texas, southwest Arkansas until 10 here for northeast Texas, until midnight for areas further to the east. It is possible we could see an extension of this, if not a tornado watch, at the very least a severe thunderstorm watch. But again, there is still a possibility that we could see some rotating storms with that line, as we have seen a few embedded tornadoes, at least rotations, form within that line that is now off to the west. That being said, another concern tonight will be the potential for some very heavy rain. The latest from Futurecast still shows the heaviest rainfall totals will be over the northern edge of the area, where a good 2 to 3 inches of rainfall, if you count what's already fallen, will be a possibility. We do have a flood watch, which is still in effect for that particular part of the Arklatex through basically tonight. That's when the rain should begin to wrap up. So one more time, again, we're looking at the cluster of thunderstorms, the line of storms, I should say, which is making its way through Dallas right now. It'll be making its way into the Arklatex here, probably sometime pretty close to 9 o'clock over the northwest edge, approaches Texarkana between 10 and 11, approaches Shreveport about midnight, and then moves out of the Arklatex here as we get past 2 a.m. And that's when the majority of the severe weather issues for the Arklatex will come to an end.